Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Borden is a small prairie community located along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River, northwest of Saskatoon. Known for its quiet setting and strong connection to the surrounding farmland, Borden offers a glimpse into rural life in Saskatchewan, where history, agriculture, and community remain closely linked. Borden has a population of just over 200 people, making it one of the smaller communities in the region. Despite its size, it has maintained a steady presence over the years, supported by local families, nearby farms, and its location along key transportation routes. The village provides a peaceful environment with open spaces and a slower pace of life that reflects its rural roots. The history of Borden dates back to the early 1900s, during the period of Western settlement across Saskatchewan. Like many prairie communities, Borden developed alongside the expansion of the railway, which played a crucial role in bringing settlers, goods, and opportunities to the area. Agriculture has always been at the heart of Borden's economy. The fertile land surrounding the village has supported generations of farmers producing grain and other crops that are central to Saskatchewan's agricultural industry. In its early years, Borden served as a service point for these farming operations, with grain elevators and local businesses helping to support the rural economy. One of the defining features of Borden is its proximity to the North Saskatchewan River. The river has long been an important part of the region, serving as a natural route for travel and trade before the arrival of modern roads and railways. Today, it adds to the scenic character of the area, offering views of the valley and a reminder of the natural forces that shape the landscape. Over the decades, Borden has remained a small but resilient community. While many rural areas have seen population decline, Borden has continued to exist as a local center for nearby farms and residents. Transportation has played an important role in Borden's history and development. The village is located near Highway 16, part of the Yellowhead Highway system, which connects communities across Western Canada. This route has helped maintain access to larger centers like Saskatoon, supporting both travel and economic activity. The surrounding landscape is typical of the Saskatchewan prairies, with wide-open farmland stretching beyond the village in all directions. Seasonal changes are clearly visible here, from the green fields of summer to the golden harvest in the fall and the quiet, snow-covered fields of winter. These cycles continue to define daily life in the region. Today, Borden stands as a reminder of Saskatchewan's early development and agricultural heritage. It has not grown into a large town or city, but it continues to serve its purpose as a stable and enduring community. Its history is reflected in its landscape, its buildings, and the people who have chosen to remain here. watching.